So I've used a lot of pizza stones and pans over the years, but this Lodge cast iron pizza pan blows them all away. This thing is built like a tank. It comes pre-seasoned and ready to use right out of the box. The cast iron holds heat like nothing else, and once it's hot, it stays hot, and that's exactly what you want for thin, nice pizza crust. I usually toss it in the oven during the preheating process, and then it gets ripping hot. Then I slide the pizza on it and let it do its thing. The results are consistently awesome, evenly cooked, crispy crust every time. The two handles make it easy to pull in and out of the oven even when it's fully loaded. And it's not just for pizza. I've used it for roasted veggies, skillet cookies, and even smash burgers, and they come out great. Cleanup's also easy if you follow standard cast iron rules. Don't soak it, dry it fast, and give it a light rub of oil when you're done. The pan will last a lifetime if you treat it right. If you want your homemade pizza to have that brick oven texture and need a multi-use tool that can handle high heat and heavy use, this is the one, and it's really tough to beat. It's one of those kitchen items that you will use way more often than you expect. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.